Hi, I just wanted to give you a quick little tour through our Google site here. So this is where you'll access a lot of our information, our class information. Obviously you access the tour, so you're viewing it now, but we are going to be using sort of a flipped classroom model this year, so I'll explain a little bit about that. Basically, you'll be going through some lessons on your own at home, and you'll be coming into class and we'll be working on some practice together in class. So you'll have I'll be walking around the room and helping you out while you're working on those things. This is going to be at WA in room 235. That's where our class is. Here you find a little bit of course expectations, about when extra help will be, and a little bit about me. The next tab is our Google Calendar. So this will be linked to our Google Classroom. So everything that you need to know will appear on this screen as far as due dates. So anytime I assign something, the due date will appear on this Google Calendar to help you keep track of everything. And then under our Lessons tab, you'll see I have 3 units loaded in. They each connect to a unit in our Google Drive. So say I wanted to click on Lesson 1 from Unit 1. In here you'll see there's a video and some notes to go along with that video. Same thing here for Unit 2. You can see there's a video and some notes to go along with that video. And once you do a lesson notes, you're going to hop over to the practice and assignments. And under here, this is where you'll be able to find the corresponding assignment in Google Drive that goes with that lesson. And that's what we'll work on in class. Same deal here. This is for Lesson 1, Unit 2. You'll see here a little bit about graphing logs. And then once we finish an entire unit, you're going to hop over to the assessments page, and that's where you'll find your assessment. So here for Unit 1, we'll do some real-life modeling of some tides using sine and cosine functions, and we'll predict the tides in the future. This will be our assessment for Unit 2, and then you can see we have a Google form for Unit 3.